Write the critical appreciation of the Heart of Darkness, written by Joseph Conrad. The Heart of Darkness is a distinguished masterpiece of Joseph Conrad, dealing with the major issues of all the world. It is uh, an autobiographical novel. All the experiences of Marlowe were Conrad's reaction to what he had observed during his travel through the Congo. It is quite different from the Victorian novels which presented the vastness of life. Conrad has interwoven with various themes in such a manner that an unified design and artistic unity emerges out of it. Thus, this novel is a compact masterpiece. All the themes are related to the two major characters, Charles Marlowe and Mr. Curtis. They are theme of evil and theme of imperialism, lack of self-restraint, isolation, and the exploration of darkness, themes of reality and appearance. As Joseph Conrad said, it is experience pushed a little beyond the actual fact of the case for the perfectly legitimate. I believe purpose of bringing it home to the mind and bosom of the readers. Theme of evil. Evil is a substantial reality prevailing throughout the novel. In the very beginning, when Marlowe, the main narrator of the protagonist of the novel, was describing out the Roman conqueror who invaded Britain and captured that the place with very brute and wild strategy, as it was clear through the lines. Robbery with violence, aggravated murder and on great scale, and men going at it blindly. Here Conrad intends to say that man has been the victim of the evil of conquest and brutality. Marlowe feels the existence of evil in the appearance of two knitting women. He called the city of Brussels as white sepulchre, which is outwardly beautiful but inwardly corrupt and full of vices. Dark jungle, dark fog, all the climate of Congo was horrible. Marlowe all the time feels as an evil atmosphere, firing guns, six black men chained together, killing of helmsmen are the evidence of evil. Even the central figure, Mr. Curtis himself, became an evil incarnate. Thus, we can see evil prevailing everywhere in the novel. Theme of imperialism. Imperialism is introduced in the very beginning of the novel when Marlowe tells about the ancient Roman conquerors. Their conquest was robbery with violence. They captured England and plundered whatever they got and shed lot of blood. In the novel, irony was the cause of white men's coming to Congo region. Thus, there was no moral purpose of white men in coming to Congo but the satisfy their lust of greed and irony. Ivory, हाथी का दांत. The imperialistic attitude of white men was seen in this novel. Lack of self-restraint. The lack of self-restraint is the root cause of the white man's devil, devilish nature, devil's nature, which is taking demonic shape ultimately. Their lust for power and imperialistic attitude are enlarged. Mr. Kutaj is the fine example for reflecting the theme of the lack of self-restraint. Kutaj was so obsessed with Iori, even he was ready to kill the Russian because the Russian did not surrender to him. Due to the lack of self-restraint, himself got killed. Theme of isolation. The story of the novel revolves around the two central figures, Marlowe and Mr. Kuj. Both are solitary figures and and the reflection of the theme of isolation. Marlowe, on of the a steamboat, was feeling himself all alone and was in a meditating mood. There was lack of communication between Marlowe and white agents of the company. He said about the manager of the central station as nothing within this man. Mr. Kutaj was also an isolated figure. The influence of violations proved very disastrous in this case because it turned him to the state of being devil himself. Exploring the darkness. The story of Heart of Darkness is journey to the dark region of Congo. It is a symbol of evil. Marlowe in the beginning sailed out to penetrate the darkness of Congo River. It also symbolized the dark continent. Even an effect of darkness could be found in the heart of Mr. Kuso, which was the crouching inside him. Therefore, in spite of being a story of a journey into the Congo region, this novel is a journey into the subconscious of human mind also. As it is said, we penetrate deeper and deeper into the heart of darkness. Theme of reality and appearance. From the very outset of the novel, Marlowe feels a distinction between reality and appearance. The truth is the difference hidden behind the curtain of appearance. First, when he got a job as a captain in the steamer by the help of his aunt, Marlowe later on says that she was hypocrite possessing inside her the useless blasting of rock, targetless firing of gun, futile efforts made by white people to civilize Congo, and then the other's reality is entirely different from the appearance. Thus, throughout the novel, Marlowe feels a difference between reality and what appears to him. Thus, this novel has multifarious themes, but all are skillfully interwoven that they produce an artistic beauty, unified pattern, and overall cast a spellbound effect over the reader's mind. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for more video related to English literature.